Hello and welcome to Beautiful Rose Garden. Have you ever looked at a beautiful rose and wished you could turn that single flower into a whole new bush for your garden? Today, I'm going to share a simple, natural, and incredibly effective secret to help you do just that. We'll use just a slice of tomato to help a rose stem take root and bloom into beautiful flowers. And you won't need any expensive chemicals. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's get started. And if you enjoy our time together, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a comment to let us know where you're watching from. Here is your easy-to-follow guide. Step 1. Gather your simple ingredients. Our key ingredient is a ripe tomato. This humble fruit is packed with natural enzymes that are fantastic for stimulating fast and strong root growth. You'll also need a few other simple items. A healthy rose cutting from a variety you love, a carrot peel to provide nutrients for new shoots, a spoonful of breadcrumbs, which helps with moisture and beneficial microorganisms, a spoonful of honey, a gentle and natural root stimulant, a clove of garlic, a natural antibacterial to protect your cutting from disease. Step 2. Create your rooting solution. Now let's create a gentle yet powerful rooting solution. First, take your ripe tomato and chop it up. Each piece contains a wonderful supply of those rooting enzymes we just talked about. Next, finely chop your carrot peel. These peels are rich in trace minerals that will help nourish the young shoots. Finely chop 1 clove of garlic. This is crucial for fighting off bacteria and preventing root rot. Put all of these chopped ingredients into a blender. Add in a spoonful of breadcrumbs, and about 250 milliliters of clean water. Blend everything until it's a smooth puree. After blending, filter the mixture through a fine sieve or a clean cloth to remove any coarse bits. This prevents clogging later. This gives the solution an extra boost of natural goodness. Let the solution rest for about 30 minutes. Step 3. Prepare your rose cutting. Before we place our rose cutting in the solution, there are a few important steps. Gently remove all the leaves and thorns from the bottom of the stem, leaving just 1 or 2 leaves at the very top. This helps the plant focus its energy on growing roots. Then, cut the base of the branch at a 45-degree angle. This slanted cut increases the surface area for the stem to absorb nutrients. Now gently place the base of your cutting into the rooting solution you've prepared and let it soak for about 4 to 6 hours. Step 4. Set up the hydroponic system. This method uses a simple hydroponic setup that is surprisingly effective. You'll need a small sponge and a clear plastic cup. Use the sponge as a lid for the cup. Use a small stick to make a hole in the center of the sponge, just big enough for the rose stem to fit snugly. This holds the cutting upright and stable. Pour your rooting solution into the plastic cup. Gently insert the rose stem into the sponge hole so that the base is submerged in the solution by about 3 to 5 centimeters. This is just enough to absorb nutrients without causing the stem to rot. Step 5. Create a mini greenhouse. To give your cutting the best chance at success, we'll create a mini greenhouse effect. Use a larger clear plastic cup and poke a few air holes into it. Then turn this cup upside down and place it over your cutting and the sponge lid. Use a few clips to secure it in place. This helps maintain the ideal humidity and temperature for rooting. Place your little plant cup in a cool spot with light, but away from direct sunlight. Each day, simply lift the lid for a few minutes to let the air circulate, then close it again. Step 6. The moment of joy. Watch it grow. After some time, you'll start to see a miracle of nature. Through the transparent cup, you will see new shoots emerging from the leaf nodes. They will be a fresh light green or pink. At the base of the stem, you will notice slender, white roots beginning to radiate out. This is your sign. It's time to move the plant to its new home. Step 7. Planting in soil. Choose a pot with drainage holes and a size that isn't too big. Use a loose, well-draining soil mix. A combination of light loam, compost, and a little sand or coconut coir works perfectly. Gently plant your rooted cutting. The right soil mix and pot size will help the young roots adapt easily and prevent waterlogging. And that's it. From a simple cutting, you have sown new life with the purest things from nature. Hopefully, this method brings you as much joy as it has brought to me. Thank you for joining me today on Beautiful Rose Garden. If you found this video helpful, please share it with other flower lovers. Because the joy of gardening is always best when it's shared. I'll see you in our next green journey.